Greetings, Earthlings! Today we are going to talk about landforms by Blythe. Before we talk about landforms, we need to talk about weathering. Weathering breaks rocks down until they are very small. There are two kinds of weathering, chemical and physical. Chemical weathering breaks things down by using water, air, and acid to dissolve the rocks. Physical weathering breaks down rocks using water, and the water can get inside the cracks in the rock and freeze. And the ice takes up space, so this causes the rock to crack. Weathering has caused this rock to break. Erosion. Erosion is the movement of rock and soil. It usually happens very slowly and can happen anywhere on Earth. Erosion makes big changes in the land. An example of erosion is the Appalachian Mountains in the U.S. They used to have sharp tips, but now they have rounded out and are smooth. Erosion has caused this highway to crumble. Buttes. Buttes are isolated hills with steep sides and a flat top. Buttes form by weathering and erosion when hard rock is on top of less hard rock, which eventually wears away. The harder rock resists erosion and protects the less hard rock from wind abrasion, leaving the butte isolated. These buttes have been formed by weathering and erosion. Glaciers. Glaciers are big moving pieces of ice. They form when snow falls and makes a sheet of snow. The snow at the bottom is pressed into a sheet of ice, and the ice is heavy, so pressure at the bottom causes lower ice to melt, and the ice moves. This process has caused this glacier to form. Mesas. Mesas are isolated flat-topped hills with steep sides. They are formed by erosion when water washes parts of rocks from the top of the hill. However, there is strong rock that stays on top. This mesa has been formed by water erosion. Arches. If a cave is formed on a headland, a narrow piece of land going from the coastline to the sea, it might be broken down by erosion and weathering to form an arch. This arch has once been a cave, but it was broken down by weathering and erosion. That's the end of my slideshow. I hope you enjoyed.